The basic control board is a very simple and intuitive card. Now, let's see in detail the functions of its keys. The Start-Stop button has a dual use. Pressing the button for 3 seconds, the control board is on. Pressing the button for 3 seconds, the control board is off. The Defrost button, usable during storage phase or on standby, allows to start a manual defrosting cycle. The single star represents the chilling cycle for the +3 degrees core chilling, while the 3 stars represent the freezing cycle for the low temperature chilling at -18 degrees. The switch button is used to start an hard or soft chilling during a positive cycle. Aux button is used for optionals on request, like core probe or UV lamp. Now, let's try to make a chilling cycle. Pressing the on-off button for 3 seconds, we activate the control board. The temperature that is displayed is the temperature inside the cell. With a single press of the 1-star button, we'll start the chilling cycle. The cycle can be made by temperature with a core probe or by time, in this case 90 minutes. The positive chilling can be even more performing using the hard function that starts at -20 degrees inside the cell. Or you can choose a soft function that starts at -5 degrees temperature inside the cell. Now, pressing the start button, we are going to start the selected cycle. Once confirmed the cycle, the device does an automatic identification of probe's inception, 2 minutes around, at the end of which, if the device doesn't recognize the core probe, it switches to time cycle automatically. Now let's try to make a freezing cycle. Pressing the on-off button for 3 seconds, we activate the control board. With a single press of the 3 starts button, we'll start the freezing cycle. The cycle can be made by temperature with a core probe or by time for 240 minutes. Now, pressing the start button, we are going to start the freezing cycle. During the cycle, pressing one of the 3 buttons in the middle, you can display the temperature inside the cell. With a single press of the on-off button, the cycle ends. While with the 3 seconds press of the on-off button, the control board is off. The device allows also to set a continuous cycle. This cycle is a preset function used a lot in freezing or hardening of the ice cream. Pressing the 1-star button for 3 seconds, the continuous cycle starts. This deep freezing takes place at a set temperature of -35 degrees, and it only ends with the manual pressing the Start-Stop button. For all the settings, you can adjust temperature and time using the up and down arrows.